pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Do you know what's happening on May 22nd and May 23rd? What's happening?
Are you ready? C-O-L-O-R!
Run!
Cut to run!
Hi everyone, and welcome to SBA Color Run Charity. First off, you will need to scan our QR code. Once you're in the website, scroll down and click on Join the Team. After clicking, it will ask you to make your account. After making your account, select yours or your child's 7th period class and then tell everyone why you would like to fundraise. After every donation goal you reach, you will get each one of these awesome prizes. The 7th period class who wins and gets the most donations will win a Wingstop party for the whole class.
Hope to see you guys there!